In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide tabs. If you want to keep your workspace cleaner or temporarily remove a sheet from view without deleting it, hiding tabs is a simple and very useful feature. This is especially helpful when you're working with a spreadsheet that has multiple tabs and you only want to show the ones you need right now. I'll walk you through how to hide a tab first and then how to bring it back whenever you need it. To hide a tab, go to the bottom of your screen where your sheet tabs are displayed. Find the tab you want to hide. Then click the small down arrow next to that tab's name. This will open a menu with a few options related to that sheet. From that menu, select Hide Sheet. As soon as you click it, the tab will disappear from the bottom bar. Don't worry, this does not delete the sheet or remove any of your data. It simply hides it from view so your spreadsheet looks more organized. Now, if you want to unhide that tab later, you can do that from the top menu. Move your cursor to View and click on it. In the drop-down menu, hover over Hidden Sheets. This section will show any sheets that are currently hidden in the file. Once you see the list, click the name of the tab you want to restore. The moment you select it, that tab will reappear at the bottom of your screen, ready to use again. A good thing to remember is that hiding a sheet is a great way to reduce clutter while still keeping important information in the file. It's also useful when you want to avoid accidental edits on tabs you don't need to look at often. Just keep in mind that hidden sheets are still part of the spreadsheet, so anyone with access to the file may be able to unhide them unless other permissions are in place. That's all there is to it.